Why is it that when you walk the streets of Tokyo, Osaka, or Kyoto, you rarely see overweight people? While many countries struggle with obesity, Japan stands out. The Japanese are among the slimmest and healthiest people in the developed world. But how do they do it? Is it genetics, culture, or just a lifestyle secret the rest of the world hasn't figured out yet? Today, we'll uncover the surprising reasons why the Japanese stay slim. Reasons that might just change the way you think about food, health, and life itself. To the outside observer, the Japanese ability to maintain a healthy weight while consuming carbohydrates like rice and noodles seems almost paradoxical. However, as we peel back the layers of Japanese society, we discover that this phenomenon is not the result of a single, miracle cure, but rather a holistic system of habits, environment, and culinary philosophy. Nature versus nurture, the myth of genetics. The most common excuse for the disparity in obesity rates is genetics. While it is true that East Asian populations may possess slight metabolic differences, science suggests that DNA is not the primary driver of Japan's leanness. The most compelling evidence lies in migration studies. When Japanese individuals move to Western countries and adopt a Western diet, high in processed foods, sugars, and larger portions, they gain weight at the same rate as the local population. This confirms that the secret lies in the environment and lifestyle choices, nurture, not an inherent genetic shield, nature. Dietary composition, the quality of fuel. The fundamental difference begins with the fuel itself. At the heart of the Japanese diet is rice. Unlike Western bread, which often contains added sugars, dairy, and fats, plain steamed rice is additive-free, filling, and low in fat. It serves as a neutral canvas for the true stars of the meal, fish and vegetables. Japan consumes a staggering amount of the world's seafood. By prioritizing fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids over the calorie-dense, saturated fats found in red meat, the Japanese diet naturally reduces inflammation and supports metabolic health. Furthermore, vegetables are not a garnish, they are a necessity. Whether simmered in broth, pickled as a side, or steamed, vegetables provide the fiber necessary to stabilize blood sugar and maintain satiety. This is all washed down with green tea. In a culture where sugary sodas are often replaced by unsweetened, antioxidant-rich tea, the average person avoids hundreds of empty calories daily while benefiting from catechins that gently boost metabolism. The psychology of eating. Restraint as a virtue. Perhaps more important than what is eaten is how it is eaten. The Japanese approach to dining is rooted in mindfulness. The Okinawan concept of hara hachi biyu, eating until you are 80% full, is a cultural mantra that aligns perfectly with human biology. It takes approximately 20 minutes for the brain to register fullness, by stopping early. The Japanese bridge this physiological gap and prevent overeating. This mindset is reinforced by presentation. Japanese meals are typically served in multiple small bowls rather than on one large plate. This practice, known as eating with the eyes, tricks the brain into feeling satisfied with smaller portions. The mechanical act of using chopsticks also necessitates smaller bites and a slower eating pace, aiding digestion and mindfulness. Incidental. Exercise, the hidden gem. In many Western nations, exercise is a distinct activity scheduled for a specific time at a gym. In Japan, movement is woven into the fabric of survival. Due to the high cost of car ownership and an efficient public transport system, the average citizen is a commuter athlete. Navigating the urban jungle of Tokyo or Osaka requires walking to train stations, climbing subway stairs, and standing for long periods. Additionally, the bicycle is a tool of utility, not just recreation. From grocery shopping to dropping kids at school, the bicycle is the primary mode of neighborhood transport. The cumulative result is that the average Japanese person easily achieves 8.000 to 10.000 steps a day without ever stepping foot on a treadmill. Societal structure and the Metabo law. Japan is unique in that healthy living is structurally enforced. It begins in childhood with shokuiku, food education. School lunches are not processed cafeteria food. They are balanced meals designed by nutritionists, where children serve one another and learn the value of nutrition. For adults, The pressure is more direct. The Metabo Law mandates waistline measurements for citizens between the ages of 40 and 74. This shifts the healthcare focus from reactive treatment to preventative maintenance. While controversial to some, it creates a society where maintaining a healthy weight is a collective responsibility rather than just a personal struggle. Culinary philosophy. Flavor without fat. Finally, the Japanese kitchen relies on techniques that extract flavor without adding calories. While Western cuisine often relies on fats, butter, cream, oil, for flavor, Japanese cuisine relies on umami. Using dashi, broth made from kelp and fish, fermentation, miso, soy sauce, natto, and grilling or steaming, Japanese chefs create deep, satisfying flavors that are naturally low in fat. Conclusion. The secret to why the Japanese rarely gain weight is that they have created a system of harmony. It is a lifestyle where portion control is automatic, movement is unavoidable, and food is respected as fuel. While we cannot change our genetics, we can adopt these principles. By choosing nutrient-dense foods, embracing incidental movement, and practicing mindful eating, anyone can replicate the benefits of the Japanese lifestyle.